Here's the last service lift in Australia for a while, until early February. And guess what? The EPL KONE hydraulic is still here. That's good. Button is old 80's EPL KONE square orange. Like of how away it says press instead of going down, because obviously this is the top floor. There's the KONE model space MRO out there. That will be in my previous video. If you haven't seen it, the link will be down in the description below. Here it is. The chime has worn out because it's gotten old and go to G. Slow door. It's hydraulic. Lift number 13, goods lift. Equipment number 1622489. I have no idea what the year of construction is, but it's at Toowong Village and Tower, 9 Sherwood Road, Toowong, Queensland. Maximum load 2,500 kilograms, 36 persons. But if this got modernised into a KONE, then it would be a KONE, or replaced, then it would be a KONE Transys. Here we are at G. And that will conclude. And there it goes. And before I end the video, I want to show you the sensors. Chrome C3540, designed and manufactured in the European. Oh, don't close on me. And that's it.